a question involving radiocarbon dating. We can start by recognizing that, say, 93.79% of the material remaining is the same as A of T over A0 being 0.9379. From here, we can calculate K, the rate constant, and then 2, use the integrated first-order rate law to determine T. So here's the integrated first-order rate law. We know this value here. All we need to do is calculate K and plug and chug. Okay, so here we're trying to calculate K. We see that we remember the equation for half-life, solve that for K, and we get a value for our rate constant K, carrying extra sig figs as usual up into the calculation up here. And we get this numerical result. So we'll assume that this 0 here is not significant, so we're limited to 3 sig figs. That means that Richard III has died 530 years ago.